Yo, today we'll be making this super realistic thermal effect so you can wow your viewers. Subscribe if you feel like it. Now let's get active, baby. The first thing we're gonna do is rotoscope out our subjects. If you don't know how to rotoscope, I'll leave a link somewhere. Now let's go over this quickly. Once your rotor is complete, make sure you freeze. Now I'll go back to my composition. Now what you want to do is turn up your feather to smoothen out those rough edges. Reduce your shift edge just a little bit, maybe a little bit more. Now we're going to duplicate our rotor layer, Ctrl D, and I'm going to rename this to make life a little bit easier. Where is it? There. BG. This is our background. Delete the rotor brush from the effect controls. On our background layer, we are going to add the colorama. Finally, open the output cycle, change the preset to ramp blue, move the blue to the other side, and we'll make this a dark purple. And the black, double click, and we'll make this blue dark. Now click on input phase, change the intensity to lightness, and add phase from to lightness to none. We click our background clip. It adds more detail. Now we're going to add brightness and contrast. And we're going to turn that contrast up like a 60. Now on our rotor clip, add colorama. We're not changing a lot here. Maybe move the red and green a little closer. And this part is not necessary, but I am going to add a deep glow. Take the exposure down to 0.1. It just makes it softer. If you don't have deep glow or optical glow or anything like that, don't use a regular glow. It just doesn't do it how I like it. Pause. Change the exposure to 0.1 and the radius to 300. Now to really sell the effect, we're going to add an adjustment layer. Right click, new adjustment layer, and in effects and presets, we're going to be using one of my CRT presets, CRT horizontal. Turn the layer. You can check it out if you like, but you can also just copy my settings. Now I'm going to add a frame or viewfinder. You can get this in Moonman viewfinder pack. There are over 100 assets for you to choose from, all fully customizable. If it's right for you and you want to support the channel, check it out. It's in 4K, so I will reduce the size. Add a tint. I think green will look really good. Top it off. We will be adding deep glow again. Now just to make the transition look good, we will be adding one more adjustment layer. Make it 5 frames long. Last but not least, we will be adding the exposure effect. At the beginning, start a keyframe on exposure. Move to where the effect starts. Take it up to like 5 and move to the end. Bring it back down to 0. And this is the final look. Thanks for watching again. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out. See you in the next one.